Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Neema's Kitchen. So today it's a sweet recipe. We all love to have sweets during any special occasions. But if the sweets are made at home, it's something more special, isn't it? So then this recipe on Gulab Jamun is very soft and tasty, but it's made without khoya. And in this video, I will show you the whole secret behind this recipe. So let's get started. First step is to make our instant khoya, the thick milk solids. For that, I've taken 1.5 cup of milk powder, half cup of milk and 1/4 cup of ghee, the clarified butter. This ghee is the fat we needed for our instant khoya. Now to a non-stick pan, let's add in the milk and then goes in our ghee. Mix it well. And then our milk powder. Combine all the ingredients together. And turn on the flame. First you might see big lumps, but later you can see the difference. You have to keep on stirring and always remember to keep the flame low. You can see the mixture leaving the sides of the pan. Keep on mixing, or else the mixture will get stuck onto the pan and it will ruin the flavor. Now see the consistency. See, it looks perfect for me. I'm going to turn off the flames. Transfer it to a bowl and leave it to cool for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the sugar syrup by taking 1.5 cup of sugar. And 2 cups of water. Mix it well. And then into this add in few strands of saffron and 4 pods of cardamom for flavor. Mix well and boil for about 5 minutes or until the sugar syrup turns sticky. You don't have to attain any string consistency. It's boiling. Let's turn off the flame and add in 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of rose water. Mix it well. Lemon juice is added to prevent the sugar syrup from crystallizing. Let's leave this aside. 5 minutes are over and it's time to prepare small size jamuns. Now let's add in 1 tablespoon of either water or vanilla essence, 4 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour and 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And knead it well as and when it's warm. And divide into small portions. And make small balls like this. There should not be any cracks. If there are cracks, then there are chances for the gulab jamuns to break while frying. Same way we shall do with the rest of our mixture. See, it's all set now. Let's fry these gulab jamuns in oil or ghee on a low flame. It's more flavorful if you can fry it in ghee, I mean clarified butter. Slowly drop in our jamuns. And fry it on a low flame. Our gulab jamuns are ready. Let's cover and leave it to rest for about 2 hours or until our gulab jamuns absorbs the syrup and has doubled in size. Finally, our gulab jamuns are ready to serve. You can enjoy this gulab jamun with ice cream or as it is. Hope you had a great time with me. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video with another recipe. So stay tuned.